Hello and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel, where we do unboxes, plan with me's, and other things. And if you like that, please consider subscribing. Today we got our ink flight in. Want to see what's inside? Come join me. Ink flight is a ink sample subscription box. You get 7 vials with 2 milliliter of ink in each vial, and a fountain pen accessory. It can be anything from notebooks to masks to ink holders, pens, you name it, we've gotten it. It is $35 a month plus shipping and handling. However, I do have a code below. It's a coupon. If you use that coupon, it will be free shipping, at least in the United States. I don't know about anywhere else. This is the August 2004 box. Here we go. I'm going to grab my glasses so I can see. All right, there's that. There's this. Ooh, okay. This looks interesting. Let's see here. We'll start with this lovely thing. It's an A6, a Logic Prime A6 ringed notebook, lined 6mm karaoke carapo pen. Okay, all right. So let's start with the notebook. The creates quick list, charts, graphs, and mini planner pages with the unique dot/line pages of the Logic Prime notebook. This pocket A6 size and wired bound design with sturdy cover makes this a great go-to notebook for everyday carry. Plus, the smooth Japanese-made paper is pleasure for your nib to glide along. Okay, so that is this. Here's the line. Oh, I see now. Okay, so it's, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's coming up, but there is some grid here. Of course, you see the line's pretty good, but there is grid. So, okay. 50 sheets in this one, according to the back. And this, instead of a nib, the Karaoke Carapu pen has a felt tip ink delivery system similar to the Tom Studio Lumos pens. In this box, we've included one of sorted pointed fine sizes: fine brush, extra fine, or oblique. Follow the instructions on the package to fill the Carapu with your choice of bottle ink fountain pen ink or sample. All right, so I got the extra fine. Let's see here. Okay, it does open from the bottom here. All right, so okay, this is quite interesting. So there is the tip. I guess you put this here. Huh, interesting. Okay. So I'm gonna put that in there. All right. Okay. So let's see if it makes sense on the other side. Looks like felt there. Put little dots here. Okay, let's put that back in there. And according to this, it looks like you put the felt tip in, ink, let it get up to a certain amount, and then you place it in there. Okay. This is interesting. Now, I'm curious. The little labels, the little 2 labels we got can tell you what ink's in it. The only thing is, I'm curious, can you clean it out and then be able to refill it with a different ink? I am curious about that. But that's something. Okay. So, like I said, little different things. Okay. All right, so the next thing is keep your place in a journal or current page turning read with the wooden magnet bookmark by May Crafts Tribal of Toronto, Canada. The fun illustrated fountain pen and ink bottle greet you each time you resume your reading or writing. Sent your notebook and current ink pages with the fountain pen washi tape from Pixelit Studios, also based in Canada. Okay, so this is the bookmark. Wow. Okay, so it's wooden, which is kind of interesting to know that it is a magnet, but they're wooden. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I gotta give them credit where credit's due. It's a wooden magnet. Okay, and then the fountain pen washi tape. All right. Let's see here. Let's see if I can find the edge. Ah, I think I did. Here it is. Let's see how many fountain pens we have in here. Ooh, nice group. Oh, a lot. Okay, we haven't gotten... Wow. Okay, no. I don't think these repeat. That's wild. I like this. Oh, wait. Yes, it does repeat. No, it doesn't repeat. Sorry. I haven't been able to get... Oh, wait. That... So you get a good amount of fountain pens. I finally found one where it repeats, so about right there. That's not bad. Okay. That's wild. So let's see here. Let's see if I can get this on a piece of paper. That is how many pens you get. From here to here. Not bad. That's an interesting washi tape. So, okay. So there's the washi. All right. Here we go with our inks. The star of the show. Oh, yay. We've had this brand before. Contrary to the name, Troublemaker inks are not difficult to use in fountain pens. Each color is 100% mixed, bottled, and packaged in the Philippines with love. This month's flight includes 3 new colors released this past spring. We recommend using wetter nibs with the undersaturated multi-shading colors. They've had good inks, so I'm really looking forward to this. We're going to use this Wonderland 222 that I received from Inkflight. And Q-tips. So, here we go. And the first one we have is Kelp Tea. This inky and has an earthy tan base color with high multi-chromatic green and brown shading. Okay, next we have Hanging Rice. This medium tone olive green ink has ample shading and a good flow. Next we have Rodeo. New for 2024, this rosy beige ink has a light complexion with tones of golden, brown, and purple. Interesting. This is Golden Orchard. This spring 2024 ink color is also lightly saturated with a strong shading of that ranges from purple to lilac with a hint of gold. Right. Next we have Sepia Hour. This 2024 ink seems to glow with its warm golden peach hue. Next we have Purple Yam. Inspired by the food staple that's also called ubi, this richly saturated bluish purplish purple ink shades and sheens. Okay. And last but not least, Freedom Park Rose. This deep magenta ink flows freely with an electric green sheen. Ooh. Wow. Okay. All right. So here's the ink colors again. Our washi tape, our bookmark, our pen, and the notebook. What did I think? Well, I'm glad to see Troublemakers still coming out with inks. My favorites have got to be this one, and this one. I am amazed that I love this one. I do like this one. That's not bad. I'm not a green person, so, but out of the two greens, I'd say this one I prefer the most out of those. But yeah, my favorites are this one, and this one. I was surprised how much I love this one because normally I don't go for the magenta as much. But that one, oh yeah. And the pen in that is really great. I love extra fine, so I'm grateful that I got this. Like I said, everybody's going to get a different one. They had the different nibs, so it doesn't always come in extra fine, but I'm glad I'm getting this one. I got this one. The notebook, really nice, easy to put in a purse or whatnot to take with you. All in all, I liked it. What was your favorite ink? Did you like what I got as an accessory? Like the video, and until next time, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day.